Hello, welcome to Code It Fast. Today we are doing a tutorial about random spawning in a rectangle or in a circle, and it will work also as a square, so maybe we'll start with that. We have our enemy and two blank scripts. The first one is for circle and the second one is for rectangles. And let's start with the circle. So we need public game object enemy, and on the start method I want to invoke a spawn method every, let's say, 0.1 seconds. And now spawn, we want to instantiate our enemy at transform that position, which will be a vector 2 in our case, plus, and that's the most important part, random that inside unit circle multiplied by transform that local scale divided by 2 and quaternion that identity. And we are done with the circle. I will copy this because we only need to change that part. So we want to have here new vector 2, and on the x we will have random that range between minus transform that local scale that x and transform that local scale that x plus 1. And on the y we will have the same thing, but I need to change the x to the y. And did I messed up it? Here. Yeah. It should be good. So let's see. I think I have to close it there. And it will be good now. Yeah. And let's drag our enemy. And I think I forgot about divide it by 2 here, because there it's divided. So now let's see it if it works. Yeah, the enemies won't spawn in the black part of the screen. They will only spawn in the rectangle or the circle, and the rectangle is the square for now, but if I change, for example, the x, it will still work. We can't change the scale on the circle because it wouldn't be a circle anymore. So that's it. Bye.